One of the deadliest wealth killer that nobody talks about is hiding inside your monthly budget. Take a look at this chart. This is the average monthly budget in the US. Housing, 2,120. Groceries, 504. Taxes, 1,161. Savings, 871. Entertainment, eating out, healthcare, all of those are adjustable, but there's one category here that is quietly destroying more wealth than anything else: transportation, which is your car. Most people think that rent, taxes, or groceries are the biggest drain. They're wrong. Transportation is the real wealth killer because it's not just the payment. It's the insurance, the gas, the repair, the interest, and the depreciation. Your car loses value every single day. And the average new car today costs over $50,000 for something that you will never make money on. Look at the numbers. In 2010 alone, auto loan debt was over $725 billion. In 2020, it was over $1.37 trillion. And today, it's over $1.67 trillion. People aren't buying cars, they are buying debt. And this is where people become car poor, working just to cover the vehicle instead of building wealth. Almost 1 in 4 people owe more than the car is worth. Imagine owing $42,000 on a car that's worth $27,000. You're $15,000 underwater instantly, also known as negative equity. That's not transportation. That's a wealth leak. Take the Honda Civic, the reasonable choice. Sticker price $27,169, but the real 5-year cost looks like this. Depreciation $8,229, insurance $4,043, fuel $6,673, financing interest $4,765, maintenance $3,529, taxes and fees $1,021, repairs $648. The true 5-year cost is a little bit less than $29,000. Add the sticker price and your real cost is over $56,000. People thought they bought a $27,000 car, and in reality, they bought a $56,000 liability. And that's before opportunity cost, the money you didn't invest or use strategically. A car isn't just a payment, it's a financial decision with a ripple effect. If you want to get ahead, buy smaller, delay the upgrade, pay cash when you can, and align the purchase with your tax and wealth plan. People don't go broke buying houses. They go broke buying cars that they can't afford at the wrong time, with no plan, and wonder why they can't get ahead. If you want to build wealth, live well, and do it on your own terms, subscribe. I'm teaching everything they never taught you.